This is a class about one sentence. The sentence is, that could be false. If you can say it about a statement, the statement is worth something. If you cannot, it is noise wearing a suit. Welcome to Truth Tables. Here is a line in A I wrote to us. Done. The video has been rendered successfully. Read it twice. Now tell me what in that sentence could be false.
Nothing really. Done is a mood. Successfully is a compliment the machine paid itself. There is no path, no length, no number you could go and check. That is the whole problem this series is about, and it starts with a definition from a math class. A proposition is a statement that is by itself either true or false. That is the textbook line, and it is exact. By itself means you do not need to ask the speaker what they meant. Either true or false means there is a fact of the matter, even if nobody in the room knows it yet. Every proposition in this class will be one of those, a sentence with a fact behind it. Puppies are cuter than kittens. A proposition, you may disagree with it, that is fine. Disagreement means it has a truth value to fight over. Usain Bolt can outrun everyone in this room, also a proposition and probably true. This is the last entry on this list, a proposition about itself, still true or false.
Hold on, puppies are cuter than kittens. Who decides?
Nobody has to. The claim only needs to be the kind of thing that is true or false. Whether we can settle it is a separate question. A proposition you cannot currently check is still a proposition. A sentence that has no truth value at all is something else entirely. Here is something else. Close the door. Is that true? The question does not even parse. Commands cannot be true or false. They can be obeyed or ignored, and that is it. Is the door closed? Same thing. A question is not true or false. It is asking. The answer might be a proposition. The question never is.
So look at this prompt. Make the video look good and render it. 2 commands glued with an and, not a single proposition in it, which means when the agent comes back and says done, there was never anything for done to be measured against.
That is the thesis of today and honestly of the series. The last line of any instruction you give a person or a machine should be a proposition, something that could be false. If you cannot write that line, you do not know what you asked for yet. That is not a style preference. It is the difference between a task you can close and a task you can only feel good about. Here is what that looks like in our own shop, not the video is done. Instead, the file at finals/agenticstack.mp4 exists. It runs 5 minutes and 7 seconds. It is 1920 by 1080 and it plays from the first frame to the last with audio. 4 claims, every one of them could be false. Every one of them we can check with one command.
Okay, so we have claims. Now the math class gives them names.
Propositional logic gives every proposition a letter, lowercase. P, Q, R, S. Each letter stands for one claim and takes one of 2 values, true or false. P, the file exists. Q, the file plays. R, the file runs 5 minutes and 7 seconds. That is it. The letters do not know what they mean. They only know true or false. Then you need a way to say how claims relate. If this, then that, this and that, not this. The math calls those connectives. There are 7. Today you get 3 and you already use all 3 in code. First, not written as a little hook in front of the letter, read out loud as not P. The fancy name is negation. If P is true, not P is false. If P is false, not P is true. It flips. That is the entire table, 2 rows. And that word table is the tool for the whole series. A truth table lists every way the inputs could be and what the formula gives you for each one. 2 inputs, 4 rows, 3 inputs, 8. It is brute force, and brute force is exactly what you want when you are checking a claim because it cannot skip a case. 3 inputs, P, Q, R is 8 rows, and the row where everything fails sits in the same table with the same weight as the row where everything works. You do not get to skip the row you do not like. Second, connective. And written as a wedge pointing up, red P and Q, fancy name conjunction. The table has 4 rows, true, true gives true, true, false, 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 true, false, 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 and is strict, 1 row of truth out of 4.
So, and is the one that demands everything.
Everything in C or Java, that is the double ampersand. In Python it is the word and. If the file exists and it plays and only then the conjunction is true. One of them fails, the whole sentence fails. That is why a good checklist is a long and every item has to hold. Our upload gate is exactly that shape. The file exists and it probes clean and the duration matches the script and the owner has watched it. One long and. If any letter is false, nothing publishes. The and is what makes a gate and not a suggestion. Third, or wedge pointing down, red P or Q, fancy name disjunction. True, true gives true. True, false, true, false, true, true, and false, false, false. Look at that first row hard. Both true and the or is still true. This is the inclusive or. It means at least one, not exactly one. In English, when a waiter says soup or salad, they mean pick one. In logic, or means you can have both and the sentence is still true. Same as the double pipe in C, same as the word or in Python, logics or is generous, Englishes or is usually stingy, and you write your prompts in English.
And that trips people in real prompts. Render it in 1080 or in 4K, the machine hears inclusive, or it picks the cheap one and it is not wrong.
It is not wrong, you wrote an inclusive or and you got an inclusive or. If you wanted exactly one, you have to say exactly one. And it turns out you can build exactly one out of the 3 pieces you already have. That is the lab.
Before the lab, one more thing, because this is where the money is.
The name of a connective tells you almost nothing. The table tells you everything. When somebody hands you a function called is valid or a check called all good, do not read the name. Read the table, which inputs give true, which give false. If there is no row that gives false, it is not a check. It is a light that has been painted green. A function that returns true for every input has a table with 1 column of trues. Next week you meet the symbol for that. It is called top, and once you know it, you start seeing it in code reviews, wearing a function name. We paid for that lesson on camera, day 2 of the agentic training series. The agent wrote a check for a book file, the check passed, and Amazon rejected the file in the same session. The check had a row for true and no row that could reach Amazon's false. That is the only honest way to describe it. We take it apart properly next episode. For today, carry this. A proposition is a claim with a row you could be wrong about. Negation flips the row and needs every row true, or needs at least one. 3 tables, 8 rows in total, and you can now write a checklist a machine cannot weasel out of.
Lab time, 4 sentences on the screen. Proposition or not, take a beat.
14 with 85. 5. Really? Look, kill the boss, do the mind, listen for the guy. Take a breath, hold it in, now close your eyes. Repeat it a couple times till you feel the vibe. In, out, let the kundalini rise. 14 with 85, man, time flies. Underwater ain't drowned, it was like a line. 0818, it was free to ride. Now I'm vegan and lucid dreaming cause I freed the mind. As a buzz, so below, you know the lullaby. And honestly, to live a life, you gotta live a lie. Truth be told, just decode it to see the light. And now we know for sure nobody really dies, right? Hip hop, frolic into space time. California raised blaze haze on the baseline. Came through the lines, gating out the grapevine. Let it marinate and saturate.
1. Ship it by Friday. A command, not a proposition. 2. The build is green, a proposition, true or false. 3. Did the upload finish? A question, not a proposition. 4. The thumbnail is 1280 by 720. A proposition and a good one because there is a number to check.
Next, P, it rained. Q, the game was cancelled. Write in symbols, it rained but the game was not cancelled. Pause it if you need to.
Butterfly, watch it rise. They say it's only entertainment, so I do the line. Use force the wrong way and your power die. This little light of mine, oh, I'm gonna let it shine. But I ain't praying this pagan, they Satan really God. No longer harm another brother cause he really robbed. Now petty prostitutes tossed like a demigod. East side, the mob lifestyle left behind. Gotta go inside the ambiance, explore the vibe. Truth bringing in my spirit, lyrics codified. Energized with the past lives that are cowardize. Show you right, homework, know your rights. So search, neophyte, know your worth, full of might. Boom, explode on a mic, I ignite. Main line, lay line, plugged into a dike. Get your mind right, clarify your insight. Cause the ditch that you dig when it floods is the dike. Oh, right hand on the Bible, sacred oath. Sworn in, born again.
P and not Q the word, but is just an and with attitude. We hit that again in episode 3. And the table for P and not Q has exactly 1 true row, P true, Q false. It rained and it was not cancelled.
The big one, build exclusive or true when exactly one of P and Q is true, false when both, false when neither. Only the 3 connectives you have. Take your time and do not feel bad if it takes a while. The textbook gives you a minute.
Flow like a physicist, penetrate the soul through the mind like a stimulus. Tapping in beyond space-time, it's like I'm hearing shit. Can't deny the power of the God, I'm high-spirited. A big dog like Sirius, full sentient fighting. Every existence is very inquisitive, but the wicked is truly naughty by nature, by curious. 14 with 80, 14 with 80. 14 with 85, 5, really? Look, 100 proof, stand firm in the truth. Had to learn till I learned to discern the move smooth. Check my war wounds, I'm covered in tattoos. Untouchable, can't lose. The suckers I can't fuse, I pay dues for the sins of my youth. Cause what I went through, all parties involved ain't lived through. Listen, it's no excuse, but the guy was confused. That's how you move when you got nothing.
Start with the target table. True, true, false, false, true, false, true, true, false, false, false. Now notice it is the or table with the first row switched off. So P or Q and not both. In symbols, open paren P or Q close paren and not open paren P and Q close paren. Build the columns and they match row for row. There is a second way to say it that reads like English. P and not Q or not P and Q, either P without Q or Q without P, two different formulas, the same 4 rows. When two formulas share a table, they are the same claim in different clothes. That idea gets a name in episode 4. And notice what you just did. You had a table you wanted and no connective for it, so you built one out of parts. That is the whole game in this subject. 7 connectives are convenience, 3 are enough. Everything else is assembly.
Last one, and it is the real one. Rewrite this instruction as propositions. Make sure the short is posted. Pause here.
Our CPUs, energy vampires sucking BTU. They're kidnapping our diamonds and blind us with fake news. So keep the hate coming, cause it's making me great. I can't break out of what's at stake, and it can't wait. I'ma keep seeking truth as long as it takes. Both eyes closed, open my third eye, walking in faith. But I'm a supercalifragilistic, articulate lyricist. Formulate the flow like a physicist. Penetrate the soul through the mind like a stimulus. Tapping in beyond space-time, it's like I'm hearing shit. Can't deny the vibes of the God, I'm high-spirited. A big dog like Sirius, full sentient binary existence is very inquisitive, but the bigot is truly naughty by nature, by curious. Vote team with it. Vote team with it. Vote. Vote team with it.
Here is ours. P, a video with this title exists on the channel. Q, its visibility is public, not unlisted. R, its length is within 1 second of the file we uploaded. S, the description contains the workbook link. And the instruction is P and Q and R and S, 4 rows that could each be false, for things you can go and look at. That is the whole move, and it does not get more complicated, it just gets more rows. Next week we take the 4th connective, the arrow. If this, then that, it has exactly 1 false row, and that row is the reason a green check mark can lie to your face.
Homework is chapter 1 of the workbook. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. And the 3 moves, say them with me. Write the claim. Find the row that would make it false. Go look at that row. That is the class. Ashe.
Truth tables, quantum melanin media, no hype, just proofs.